When a person comes into our office, we start with an exam from our hygienist. And some patients have periodontal disease. This means they have bone loss and inflammation around their teeth. When that happens, we have different recommendations for them. Oftentimes it will involve a deep cleaning. This deep cleaning allows us to get below the gum line and remove the buildup of bacteria under the gum that has led to this bone loss. We also have other options for treating gum disease. One example is Perio Protect trays. These are trays that are custom made to your mouth that use a hydrogen peroxide gel to go deep down into the gum pocket to help kill the bacteria in between cleanings. If we recommend Perio Protect trays to you, we'll bring you in for impressions of your teeth. We have a 3D scanner that allows us to take a 3D impression of your teeth to get a very accurate impression that we send to the lab. We also send your gum charting along with these digital impressions, and that allows the lab to make trays that are custom fit to your teeth. The trays are similar to whitening trays or Invisalign trays. They're soft and flexible and very comfortable to wear. I actually wear Perio Protect trays myself. When a patient has periodontal disease, after they've had a deep cleaning, we'll typically have them come back a little more frequently than a patient that doesn't have gum disease. This way we can help eliminate the bacteria that are causing these gum pockets more frequently. Common signs of gum disease are bad breath and tooth mobility. If you suspect that you might have periodontal disease, or if it's been a while since you've had a cleaning, I highly recommend that you come in to see us so that we can do an exam and see what's going on.